Pack the towels, pack the hats, sunscreen and the water too. Swimsuits ready, ball goes bounce. Pool day fun for me and you. Swimsuits on, we're ready now. Blue and green and yellow too. Look in the mirror, turn around. Pool day fun for all the crew. Sunscreen on our arms and face, on our legs and on our nose. Put our sunny hats on tight, ready now, and off we go. Drink some water, take it slow. Walk, don't run beside the pool. Stay with mama, use the steps. That's the safe and happy rule. Armbands on, we check them tight. Wait your turn and hold the rail. One by one we step right in, safe and steady without fail. Pass the ball from friend to friend. Lulu, Milo, Kiko too. Catch it, toss it, laugh and splash. Happy games in water blue. Kick, kick gently with our feet. Little splashes, soft and slow. Kick, kick gently by the side. That's the safest way to go. Time to dry and drink again. Pack the towels, hats away. Wave goodbye and smile together. What a happy